Alright guys, today we're gonna be playing Raft. I guess it's some sort of game. So we're gonna try to So that was just like a warm up. Alright, got them. What the heck is that? Oh. Chance to heal up. I think this is the best, because you get an extra heart.